Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the RAS exam. First, it's essential to thoroughly understand the exam structure and detailed syllabus, which typically covers general knowledge, general science, and reasoning abilities. Next, create a personalized study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. This structured approach ensures comprehensive coverage and helps manage your time efficiently. Remember, consistent effort over several months, perhaps 6 to 8 months, is far more effective than last-minute cramming. To prepare effectively, gather essential study materials. Begin with standard textbooks covering subjects like history, geography, and Indian polity. Supplement these with official government publications for accurate data. Solving at least 10 years of previous question papers is vital to understand exam patterns and question types. Additionally, stay updated with current affairs by reading daily newspapers and monthly magazines. Consider joining a study group. Discussing topics with peers can clarify doubts and offer new perspectives, enhancing your overall understanding. Effective revision is key to long-term retention. Establish a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific times each day to biology. Review previously learned topics frequently, perhaps every few days, to strengthen your memory through spaced repetition. When faced with large or challenging topics, break them down into smaller, more manageable sections. This makes the material less daunting and allows for focused learning in 25 to 30-minute intervals. On exam day, proper preparation ensures success. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before to ensure mental alertness. Arrive at the examination center well in advance, perhaps 30 minutes early, to avoid any last-minute stress. Once the exam begins, read all instructions and questions very carefully before attempting them. Strategically manage your time, allocating specific minutes to each section. Stay calm and focused throughout the examination, trusting in your thorough preparation to achieve your best possible score.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.